Narendra Modi is also our cousin. And he's not only my cousin, he's something special. I never went to a school, not a single day, and I would never want to go to a school. Practical skills, they can't do anything. We don't need them. If this building is not able to do this, just burn it down.
Dr. Shahid Qureshi, inspiring millions.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أمن هو قانت آناء الليل ساجدا وقائما يحذر الآخرة ويرجو رحمة ربه قل هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون إنما يتذكر أولو الألباب قل يا عبادي الذين آمنوا اتقوا ربكم للذين أحسنوا في هذه الدنيا حسنة وأرض الله واسعة إنما يتذكر أولو الألباب صدق الله.
MashaAllah, sir, it's a great opportunity to be here. Dr. Bakar, MashaAllah, was 1 year senior to me. He was from 83. 83 session, I was from 84. I remember I got admitted here in 85. 85. MashaAllah. So how many people are from UET Lahore? Can you raise your hands, please? MashaAllah. MashaAllah. And outside UET? So which place?
My name is Muhammad Noor. I'm from Somalia. I'm studying MPhil in Microbiology at the University of Lahore.
University of Lahore.
Also University.
University of Lahore. UMT, MashaAllah. Which subject? Project management. Outside UET? Ji. Ziauddin University, Karachi. MashaAllah. And?
UMT University.
UMT, which subject?
Aviation management.
Aviation. UET Lahore, which subject? Civil. Ji, anybody else outside?
UMT.
UMT subject?
Project management.
Project management. Rifa. Sir? UET Lahore. And anybody? Sir, aap kahan se? Assalamu alaikum.
I'm a medical doctor, so.
MashaAllah, welcome, sir. And kahan se kiya MBBS? MashaAllah, welcome. Great. Anybody outside UET? Superior. MashaAllah. Which subject?
Yes,
Aviation. Anybody else? So we have friends from Sargodha who traveled all the way. There are, MashaAllah, they are. And how many people are from mechanical engineering? One, electrical engineering, and civil engineering, and anybody else? Which chemical? MashaAllah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. Just a quick introduction to myself. It is not that I am something. But introduction सिर्फ इसलिए करा रहे हैं कि मैं whatever we are, it is the actually कुदरत of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. क्या ख्याल डॉक्टर साहब? जो कुछ भी हम हैं तो अल्लाह की कुदरत है. So how many people can understand Urdu? I will be speaking English, but just to know. MashaAllah. सर ये उर्दू भी बोलते हैं. ये अब्दुल काफी उर्दू समझता है और ये पश्तो भी आती है इसको. ये इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग पेशावर से किया है. Nani, though I love him, why I will introduce myself, and Alhamdulillah I did my engineering 94-90, and then I was working in power generation, producing electricity, WAPDA, and I was at Kotadu Power Company. And then 2002 I was at LUMS, and then at LUMS I did my MBA, project management, maintenance management, quality management, human resource management. And then after that, I went to Germany. I joined this place. This university is an amazing university. This university is owned by a person who's only class 10 educated. Only class 10 second division. And he could not get admission in FSC. Nobody was willing to take him. but he said, I'm going to make a difference. I'm going to hire PhDs from Boston, from United States, from Australia and Germany. I will do something. And this is where I got introduced to the concept of entrepreneurship. So we will be talking about, I'm not against degrees. Please keep on, complete your degrees and do another one and do another one. But life is much more than a degree. And so this today's talk, so I was in Germany. I learned German language and I had to unlearn many things actually. So this was the year of my unlearning started. I had to unlearn many things I learned at UET Lahore. I'm sorry, Mazat ke saath. I had to unlearn many things I studied in project management. I discovered that these things will never come to use in my life. And then I had to unlearn my PhD as well to some extent. And I was at Babson. In 2010, I was at IBA Karachi for 12 years. And there we discovered, oh my God, that every human being is unique. And everybody has an immense potential. So my English is okay? Yes. Speed is okay? Yes. Okay. And for 12 years, we did an experiment at Karachi. And there we met Abdul Salah. And he became my friend. And this, your name? And you also? No, so you know what happened, sir? One day, I was driving the car in Karachi University. I saw these people from Africa walking in Karachi University. I said, what are they doing here? They should be in my class. You know why? Because, sir, my perspective. You have my lens in the car? Okay, Usman will take care. Because after the entrepreneurship unlearning, my worldview, way of looking at things changed. Before that, we would say, okay, how many percentage in FSC? Engineering, which one? Electrical, number one, civil, number two, in mechanical. So we were always looking at numbers, grades, positions. After my unlearning, we discovered no. It's not the right way of looking at things. And lumps taught me strategy. These are the lumps people who can speak an American accent, who are very well dressed. And these are the strategists. Aga Khan people, the top notch. And Bahawalpur Medical College is okay. But then as unlearning, I discovered, oh my God, everybody is one and only and unique. So that was my unlearning years. And in 23, I was made Vice Chancellor of Federal Urdu University. There's a university in Karachi. But somehow, before joining that, one day I got a telephone call from Dar Saab, who is from this university. He said, can you please come back? Because my vision and mission of transforming people, any person, metric, second division, third division, that mission of transforming him to make something like me is unfulfilled. So I got so excited, so I came back, and that is a quick history. So I am a story of M's: mechanical engineering, masters of manufacturing engineering, leading to masters of business administration, another M, and my PhD is entrepreneurial marketing. The M थोड़ा सा बाद में आ जाता है, लेकिन M है उसमें. So I have a story of 4 M's. Can you read this? Why vision?
Bulldoze the business school.
When do we bulldoze a building? When do we do that?
When you want it.
We
don't want it.
When you don't want it. So the American professor where I went by paying $10,000, he said that this place, it should be bulldozed. It should not stay because, can you read this?
I can see no.
You can't see this?
Yeah, business.
Business schools have huge influence, yet they are also widely regarded to be intellectually fraudulent places. Fraud means lie. I'm not saying this. This is Martin Parker is saying this. I have to stay in Pakistan. Martin Parker is saying, what is he? Fostering a culture of short-termism and greed. Oy. Employers complain that graduates lack practical skills. They can't do anything. We don't need them. If this building is not able to do this, just burn it down. Burn it down. That's, oh my God. Okay, so, what is it, sir? Can you read it? Oh my God, Doctor Sahab, Naraz to nahi ho rahi, sir, Doctor Sahab? And UET is still, UET is there. Is it worth going to the university? And what is he saying? Prepare our kids for life. Not standardized testing. What do you mean by life? Problem solving, better adults, citizens, workers, business owners, inspiration. So you see, so Dr. Saab, there's a school in Lahore, in Karachi, the lab school. The lab school class 6 students, they're doing mechatronics. They're doing 3D printing. Every day when they come to the school, they have a group of 6, they have to decide what are they going to study today. They're not taught physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. They are given a problem every 2 weeks. So, ladies and gentlemen, the problem is we want to bring this water from this place to the 2nd floor. Go and try to find out what to do. What do we need? Pump, motor. What is a pump? What is the mechanical components? What is a motor? Magnetism, wires, body, wiring, DC, AC, they are learning. They are just trying to take water, the lab school in Karachi. One of our alumni of IB Karachi, all things are project management, marketing, procurement. So they are just trying to solve that problem. The teacher is there as a facilitator, and if they can't find the relevant person, go and talk to your dad. There's 6, though you talk to your dad, dad is an electrical, he's a professional in K electric, and there's an electronic problem, he will use his friend's network to solve his son's problem. This is real life learning. In real life, you need networks, contacts, YouTube, books. Here you go. MashaAllah, they're solving many problems. Go and find the YouTube lab school. The lab school, just write it, and you will find out this traditional schooling is going to die. One of our IBA faculty, she's many IBA Karachi, many of our faculty members have decided, Dr. Saab, our kids are not going to any school. तय कर लिया बच्चों को स्कूल नहीं भेजना. अभी मैं फोन में लाता हूँ प्रोफेसर एनी अहमद साहब अकाउंटिंग की. She is accounting professor. Her kids 10 and 12. They don't go to school. They have not gone to school for a single day. 10 and 12, Abdullah and Aisha, they know how to make a solar car. A dinky car, small solar panel, a small motor, and they're playing with this. They know how to live a nutritionist life. They have not taken antibiotics for the past 10 years. They're educated on that. How to conserve water, how to treat water, how to purify water, what is kitchen gardening, what is health, what is judo karate, and these are the skills which they are learning. The boy Abdullah has not gone to a single day school. He can read this. My gift, university student today, I was there. My master's students cannot read this fluently. My MBA students cannot read this fluently. They can't read it. Abdullah, who has not gone to a school for a single day, he can read it fluently. The girl, 12, Aisha, he said, Dr. Saab, I am going to take your exam. Plus, minus. Okay, what? Dr. Shahid, 72, 93, do plus. 15, 18, 29, 67, 50. I said, hold on. I can't do it. I need a calculator. I need a piece of paper. He said, Dr. Saab, you just ask me. I'm 12. I never went to a school, not a single day, and I would never want to go to a school. You just ask me. You can enhance the speed. you can also ask minus questions. I said, okay, 17, 18, 20, minus 13, 65. And the moment I stopped, Dr. Saab, she had the answer. Her fingers were moving like this. I said, Aisha, where did you learn this? Dr. Saab, there's a 1-week course on YouTube, mental mathematics. And so we have learned first on, what we call those, the frame with balls. And we learned from there, and then our teacher taught us, and we are equipped with simple mathematics. Are you my cousin?
Yes.
You're my cousin?
Yes.
Because my grandfather and his grandfather were Inna haza lafi suhufil ula suhufi Ibrahim wa Musa. It's my cousin. Narendra Modi is also our cousin. And he's not only my cousin, he's something special. And you know what? If you take a blood sample of my brother, you will find traces of blood of Ibrahim alayhi salam in him. Inshallah. Nuh alayhi salam, most probably. And for sure Adam alayhi salam. So biological cells of Adam alayhi salam is inside. So if he doesn't perform well, shall I be happy?
No.
I shall be sad.
Yes.
That these gentlemen have come to us for 4 years. That's why I say, sir, the VC Deen ko neend nahi aani chahiye, sir. They should not sleep well. And these are our responsibility. These kids, if they don't become problem solvers, if they don't discover who they are, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will say, Shahid, come here. क्या आप भी नामालूम से मालूम की दुनिया की तरफ जाना चाहते हैं? कमेंट कीजिए.